This right here is a Chevy S10, GM's compact pickup that filled the gap between full-size trucks and something you could actually park easily. Being a 1987 model year, this is part of the first generation, which ran from 1982 all the way to 1993. This one, though, is not your typical non-running project truck. This is a barn find. Just 47,000 original miles, rust-free from top to bottom, at least, well, that's what it looks like to us here in New England. But it's clear this truck has been sitting for a good decade or more. I mean, just look at it. It is not paint discoloration, what you see here. That's actual dried up moss growing on the body. Nature decided to make this thing one of its own. As we plan to refresh this truck, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. More engine-related fixes, more suspension, or even more paint-related videos. I mean, this thing just looks great. This thing has so much potential. Type it up. We're listening. This two-wheel drive S10 we have here has the 2.5-liter Iron Duke 4-cylinder engine, which is well known for its durability, thus how it got its nickname. Featuring a very simple pushrod design, it's not at all refined, it's loud, and it only made 92 horsepower when it was new. So, you know, expect about 80 now on a good day. Paired up to a 3-speed automatic with a column shifter, and it still runs and drives right now, as it is. For a truck that's been parked and forgotten for this long, that alone says a lot about how well it was built and, of course, how it was cared for before it got, well, kind of forgotten about. Being rust-free with such low miles, this one doesn't need a heavy restoration, but it needs a big refresh. We're going to deep clean this thing from the frame up, paint correct the exterior to bring that factory finish back to life, refresh the engine so it's not just running, but running right, with no leaks, and go through the interior and body to clear out decades of neglect. And since the suspension and brakes are just as old as everything else, those are getting fully gone through too, because a truck this clean deserves to stop and handle like it's supposed to. Not that this was ever a race truck, but you want to make it safe while you're having fun driving it. So follow us along as we wake this sleeping barn find back up and get it back out on the road where it belongs. Just not in the winter, because it's New England and we want to keep it rust-free.